Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Echo Show 5. To begin, unbox your device and plug it into a power outlet. The 5.5-inch screen will light up, guiding you through the initial setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your home's Wi-Fi network. Next, log in using your existing Amazon account credentials. Finally, review and adjust your privacy settings, including camera and microphone access, to ensure your comfort and security. This quick process gets your smart display ready for action in just a few minutes. Once your Echo Show 5 is set up, interacting with it is simple. The primary way is through voice commands, using Alexa as your wake word. You can ask Alexa to play your favorite music, set a morning alarm, or provide the current weather forecast. For screen navigation, swipe left from the right edge to reveal useful shortcuts. To access quick settings and notifications, simply swipe down from the top of the display. These intuitive gestures and commands make daily use effortless. Personalizing your Echo Show 5 enhances your daily experience. You can easily change the clock face and background image through the settings menu to match your style. Create custom routines to automate tasks, like having your smart lights turn on when you say, "Good morning." Link your compatible smart home devices, such as smart plugs or thermostats, for integrated control. Additionally, set up communication features like video calls with friends and family, or send announcements to other Echo devices in your home. Beyond the basics, your Echo Show 5 offers many advanced features. Utilize the built-in camera for convenient drop-ins or video calls with your approved contacts. Enjoy your favorite entertainment by watching videos from streaming services like Prime Video or Netflix directly on the 5.5-inch screen. Explore a vast library of recipes with step-by-step instructions, making meal preparation a breeze. Don't forget to browse the Alexa Skills store to discover new functionalities and engaging games, expanding your device's capabilities even further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.